Let's get it.
Knocking Aretha Franklin while I clean the car. Looking at Shorty in them yoga pants. Oh my Lord. About to hit this day party, check the flyer. After I spray the black magic on the tires. Damn, I love the summer, these sisters in sundresses are looking heavenly, I give thanks, it's such a blessing. The sun is shining, the birds chirping, the clouds fluffy, the weather's perfect in the summer. The days get longer, outfits get shorter, streets getting hot, pop the hydrant for the water. In the summer, throw the old kicks on the power line. In the summer, cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. In the summer, watch the whip, then you know it's shower time. In the summer, hit the day party, it's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer, cruising under city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer, dreaming of the summer. Got the AC pumping with the windows down halfway, blowing that shit Dave Chappelle stole in half baked. Wintertime, spring, summertime.
Come on in, baby. Come on in.
With the Hummer outside, but my vision is bigger than the clothes in the car, so my vision is different like Jordan LaForge. Can't wait to sign the autographs when the fans run up. So I'm making big plans for the summer. The days get longer, outfits get shorter.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
The hydrant for the water. In the summer, throw the old kicks on the power line. In the summer, cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. In the summer, watch the whip, then you know it's shower time.
Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.
It's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer, cruising under city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer, dreaming of the summer. Brunch with the wifey at the park, grown man shit. Kiss her forehead, she say I'm so romantic. Summer nights poppin', we could paint the town any night. Elbow out the window while I cruise under city lights. Like Africans compared to Greeks, the guards thriller. I rumble with the lions, arm wrestle with Godzilla. It's rock stages, I'm dreaming of the summer. If you think you're number one, trust me, I'm scheming on your number. The days get longer, outfits get shorter, streets getting hot, pop the hydrant for the water. In the summer, throw the old kicks on the power line. In the summer, cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. In the summer, watch the whip, then you know it's shower time. In the summer, hit the day party, it's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer, cruising under city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer, dreaming of the summer. Got me all up in the gym trying to flex like Brutus.
Appreciate the like. Working on getting the camera.
Sunday, I'm
getting
doing
the camera right.
curls. Hallelujah. Gotta keep the physique right for the cuties. Sip the lemonade.
Feel like I'm at a,
like the
on a
grill
gangster
up.
lane.
Invite the whole family over, man, that's real love. Kids running around just on the grill. P bought the cards, Tick bought the beer in the summer.
There we go. That's more like it. Good evening. Hannah, what's poppin'? What's poppin'? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good evening, everybody. I'm your host tonight, Lando Sess. I hope all is well. Hope you are completely enjoying your weekend. Happy Memorial Day to people. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. And y'all hear my voice is gone. I did boxing last night. What a freaking knockout. And just got finished watching the Boston and Miami game. It was a great ending. But unfortunately, I didn't feel Miami was going to win anytime throughout the game. Came back last second. So let's go ahead and pay the bills real quick. So first thing, we have to talk about good old Moomoo. If you are not signed up with Moomoo, and you want to get you some free stocks, stop playing around. Get you up to 5 free stocks. All you have to do is click the link in the bio. One of my favorite people and favorite teams that I am teamed up with. How can you get these free stocks? All you gotta do is open up an account, and you're gonna get free stocks from value from $3 to $2,500. Once you do a deposit of $100 or more, you get another thing of free stocks from $8 to $2,500. And then if you deposit over $2,000, you can get 3 more free stocks. Shout out to them. Now, everybody, what the people been waiting for, we have the Patreon coming up very, very soon. Patreon is active. You can get signed up. I have the link in the bio. All you got to do is click it. I'm getting everything active starting on June. So 2 more days, I'm literally showing people from step one. I'm sorry, my voice is completely gone, but we gonna work through it. We have to bear with it tonight. But we're going to show people completely how to build a portfolio from zero. Like literally, Coinbase, we're going to use this. FTX, we're going to use these coins. This how much we're going to put in there. We got different tiers. And just having that personal game where you got full access to me and I can show you exactly what I'm doing with my portfolio. I'm going to bring in all type of different guests to be able to give you guys game. So the Patreon is only $20. That give you full access to everything. Everything. One more, I'm doing a giveaway. Every month I'm going to be doing giveaway, crypto.com. Once we reach 10, we're giving away $20 worth of Crow. And I decided to add another $20 for something completely different. So all you got to do is click the link in the bio and help my voice come back. Yelling at freaking boxing.
Oh, no! Oh, my God. They took my job!
Yelling at the TV. Such a great fight. Who's all in here? Spike said, I don't think the market will hit bottom yet. It is too early. At least 2 more months, in my opinion. Cash is king. Just stack up on the dip. My dog, Nautica in the building. What's going on? Been messing around with Coin Market Cap. I love the fact that you have a virtual portfolio. I use it pretty heavy. Yeah, I use Coin Market Cap literally all the time. Come on, voice. So we have to talk about a few things before we get into the video. Did you guys hear Drake gave away over $1 million in Bitcoin, I believe like yesterday or something? Look at this article. Say rapper Drake's gifts fans 1 million in Bitcoin during a live stream. So Drake, he teamed up with stake.com. We gonna get it. He teamed up with stake.com and he literally did a live stream giving away money to different fans. He's a big deal with crypto. He recently gave away, I think, was it $30,000? Yep, $30,000 to Kodak Black. And he gave away over $1 million to LeBron James Foundation. And you go to his Instagram. I guess this was the post. I wish I seen this. It said, hey, we doing this 526 live stream. And look at this stake right here. Show a little bit of the live.
All right. Thank you again. Shout out to Eddie. You won this time, but we both know that that's a rare occurrence. So, and shout out to everybody playing on stake. Gamble responsibly or as responsibly as you can. And enjoy yourself. You guys have an incredible night. I'll be seeing you soon. We got a big summer ahead, and we'll definitely be back on stream. All right. Thank you again. Shout out to Eddie.
And what's crazy, I did a whole YouTube earlier today and had no problems with my voice. It just kicked in later. That's a huge airdrop. Who else is in here? What's going on, Rick? Hope all is well. Hope you are having an amazing day. Happy Memorial Weekend to you. It sucks for me because for 10 years straight, me and my friends, we did our guys trip every Memorial Weekend. So it's like, you see Facebook, remember this day, and you see all the posts. When we went to Puerto Rico, went to Vegas, went to Dominican Republic, been all over the world, and being at home, not having some fun is different. And, I decided to get my wife pregnant, and she had a baby, my son, literally on May 24th. So right around guys trip time. Way to go, Lando. Yeah, LeBron James Foundation, my man. Anyone following the Johnny Depp trial? Crazy stuff. Been watching it. I haven't. When I go to the gym, when I go to Planet Fitness, I will see it up. But it's just they turned it to like a circus show. I don't know what the hell is going on. So usually I'm very real versed about what's going on regular world stuff, but I really can't even talk about it. I'm assuming, I don't know if it was some abuse, but I was seeing memes where it's like she verbally or physically abused him. I have no idea. Y'all have to give me some game on that case because I guess just, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Johnny Depp looked crazy and she seemed crazy. That's not a huge airdrop. That's a damn huge airdrop. Like, man, $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Steak need to holler at your boy. I would gladly be sponsored by good old Steak. I do my bets. I seen Drake. He did a bet where he won like a few $100,000 that the Warriors was gonna make it to the championship. And then he did like another $1 million that they're going to win it. So he's about to get some bank. Yep, my sister is calling on a live. On a line. People don't call you until you get live. I'm glad I jumped in right after the NBA game. Hope you feel better. Yes, the crazy thing is I feel great. I just don't get no damn voice. I was yelling at that TV last night and then watching the game, so I feel great. My voice just left me. I was thinking AVAX, Solana, and Matic is going to be their turn around to help share prizes. I think you are right. My sister's crazy. I committed a crime. I ran over a possum, and it's the first animal I killed. I feel like I need to call 911.
Oh, no.
Oh, my gosh. I remember the first animal I ran over. I feel terrible. It was a rabbit like last year. I never ran over an animal. So I was going down the street, and the rabbit, I was trying to avoid the rabbit. So I moved over and the rabbit jumped as soon as where I moved to, and you felt that doo-doof. It's like, oh my God, I just killed the rabbit. That was terrible. You feel very, very bad if you run over a animal. So I had a few things to talk about, but my voice is completely gone. So I would just probably do a video about those. So we can just go to see what's going on with the market. Because, yeah, y'all don't want to hear my voice try to be raspy and try to come back. All right, so we have crypto as a whole is up well over 4%, close to 5%. Good day. You look at Bitcoin, it's over 30,000. That's very good. We have a good spike going on right now, or it's consolidating just a little bit. But in the last day, look at that. We've been trading at 28 and 29, then it went up to 30. You look at the last week, and it's close to up the last week. Actually, I got a plan. Give me 1 second. I'm looking for my mic cover. Well, I don't know where I'll find it sooner or later. But when you look at the price, you're seeing it well over 30,000, about 30,500 within the last week. Now, do I believe it's going to keep on going? I need it to go over 31,000. Then I would believe something, because look at this last month. Really, Bitcoin just been trading sideways for a while. And until you see 31, you ain't about to see nothing popping. It's just going to crash back down unless we get something different. Ethereum over 1,800, up 5%. That's good. Ethereum been struggling lately. Cardano's moving heavy today, up over 12%. I like that. I like that. Solana, $45. Shiba up 10%. That's good movement. Matic is at 6 cents. Crow been stuck at like 17 cents for a while. FTX, $28. Appreciate that like, whoever just did it. Algorand. You got Hedera still under $1. I mean, not under $1, under 10 cents. ApeCoin just did a small little rally. There you go. They followed suit. Any people still invested in ApeCoin? So on the Patreon, we're going to talk about all of this. We're going to start with probably about 15 different cryptos that we're going to dollar cost average, and we're going to have some for high upside. Like, for example, if we do Stepn, right? I'm like, all right, y'all, let's go ahead, buy in at the low, sell at the high. Because if you look at something like Stepn, price can shoot up real quick and it can shoot down real quick. So this is a good swing trade type of crypto if you ask me. Zakilla. This is amazing one. And they just basically did SDK for the Metropolis metaverse. Long story short, it basically helped out the Web3 with gaming. And price is reacting. It's up 7%. But I really love them because you always going to get an opportunity. Crazy spike, go down. Crazy spike, go down a little bit. Crazy spike. That's just what it do. So that's a great swing trade. I'm a Zio owner. I'm going to show people how to do that also. But yeah, man, the crypto ain't looking too bad. And we'll look at the stock market for a hot second. Who is in here? Bull trap, watch out. So you think this a dead cat bounce? Do you believe this is a dead cat bounce where price gonna shoot up like hell for a hot second and crash right back down? Nautica say, Lando, I have less than 40 USD to put in my Coinbase. Do you think starting at the lowest share, prices like meme coins then trade after that will work? Hell no. So like, for example, when I do this Patreon starting on June 1st, the way I'm doing it is I'm teaching everybody 100% utility coins. I'm not even going to talk about meme coins. People can invest in them if they want to, but we talking straight utility, and it don't matter how much money you have. You can have $100, have 1,000, 100,000. The main thing is to get in a repetition of good habits. You want to learn how to invest the proper and right way. So if you got $40, we can take 10 different coins and put $1 in each, right? So you have a position. Then it's like, okay, let's put $2 a time once we have a red day for 24 hours. This is why we're buying this one. This is why we're going to do a swing trade on this one. I wouldn't even mess with no meme coins. I would just start working on the habits and start getting your money up. On this channel, I teach people multiple ways how to hustle, how to make money. I went out today, did Uber Eats and Grubhub, made $130 in a few hours. You have to know how to hustle, and if you're going to be on a success scene, we are hustlers. Also, does green area mean profit and red area mean loss? The chart diagram, what do you mean by that? Like if we went to trading, so are you saying like the candlesticks? Candlesticks is green within that 30-hour and 30-minute time mark. Then is it red? Is that what you're talking about? But basically, shout out to everybody that's new in here. Your boy voice is gone, but we still gonna get this thing popping tonight. Nothing is wrong with that. Ape all the way. I have 91 been dollar cost averaging. Going to keep buying. I like it. Well, I don't like ApeCoin, but I like how you're doing it, especially getting in low right now. And you keep on doing it like that. When ApeCoin shoot up like hell, go to $15 or something. Oh, that's going to be a crazy opportunity. Nickel and silver supply limits have been reached. Double in price this decade. Silver is used in solar panels and nickel. Now, okay. I haven't looked at the price of silver and gold. Like, what do you use to track silver and gold chart? Price chart. Since I don't own any silver and gold, I don't follow it too much. Let's see, goldsilver.com. And where do you buy your gold and silver? So gold right now, spot price is at $1,800, up 4%. Silver is at $22. Let's see what they've been doing in the last time frame. Last month, gold down a little bit. So they're trading basically parallel at this price. Historic high. $2,000 is closer. It's historic high. Silver $50. Do you see opportunity with it? Look at it. Gold's low and gold's high this year. So you got 300, boom, boom. 800 finally hit over 1,000 in 2018 and haven't went back under. Now, with silver high, silver hit close to $50 right there. Interesting. Haven't really checked into it. Oh, I gotta take Bull Trap out of here. Made $1,000 this week doing Uber Eats and DoorDash. Drop an exclusive bomb for my dog. So what you mean you got $40 to invest? You got at least $60. You got to pay some bills. End of the month, pay some bills. Lot going in the gas tank, bro. Gas is whooping my ass, yo. And we drove, me and my wife, for Memorial Weekend. My brother-in-law had a party out in Defiance, Ohio. That's like an hour, 40-minute drive. I put 60 in my wife's tank and didn't even fill it up. So between her tank and my tank, I need all type of extra money. Coming in, market looking good. Do you think we hit the bottom? I'll select silver. It's my emergency backup funds. Anything, if anything, it should hit the fan. I like it. All right, so the people that's in here, let's talk about, do we feel that the market has hit a bottom? Now, first thing we want to do when we look at that is look at history. When was the last 3 times the market crashed and hit a bottom? What signs made it basically come back? So what we're going to do, let me take this out. What we're going to do is first go to the market, and we would do the last year. Last year, the Dow is down. We're at a bottom right here. So we recently just did the bottom, and you look, the last week, green, well, last day, green, last week, green, last month, it's been red, but you haven't seen the levels we at right now, 33,200. You haven't seen that since May 5th. Right there, right about May 5th. So it's been a while. It's almost been a month since we've been at this level. So this is honestly a good spike. But you go back 2 years. You go back 5 years. Now, our biggest and most recent crash right here. That was as quick as you possibly going to get it. and and then spike back up. But you really have to look at, actually, I need to go to a chart. Let me see if I can pull it up on Dow Jones. See if I can pull it up on Yahoo. I like being able to zoom in. I want to be able to zoom. Shout out to whoever just hit that like button. Good blessings and positive energy to you. All bad things they said about you, we know they wasn't true. If anybody got your back, your boy Lando got your back. All right. Let's change the candles to lines. All right. Now let's look at this. We went from 34,000. We got 34,800 to 31,200. So we had 34,800 and we had 31. So off rip, we lost 3,000. We just going to round it up and just say $3,000 right here. When was the last time we lost 3,000 and recovered? Right here was 28. Went to 26. Close. Right here we went to 28. 27. Close. Close. So we haven't seen it recently when it basically dropped damn near 3,000 points in a very, very, very small period of time besides right here. So the last time we dropped that many points, we actually had a bull run. Let's see right here. Was that 25,000? And we go to 22. So this is the last time we basically dropped $3,000. And the last time we did it, we literally had a bull run into that and kept on basically going. So if you look at just the history, in my opinion, this would technically be the bottom. The problem is what you have to add in and you have to calculate is in the economy, in the market, what have changed to make the recovery happen? Gas prices are high as hell and getting higher every single day. That's a L. Inflation haven't calmed down. Prices are still getting higher. That's a L. We still have WAR going on in Ukraine. That's a L. When we have the next Fed meeting, more inflation, going price hikes. And everybody is weighing in and waiting for the real estate market to crash, which looks like it's going to happen. That's another L. So we don't have any indications to show us that things should technically be better. So yes, that should be the bottom. But I will still be careful because we don't have any other indications. And a snap of a finger, how the market been going, we get a bad earning report, everything is crashing back down. So can it go lower? 100%. Yes, it definitely can go a lot lower. But we will have to wait for certain price points. For me, to really believe the market is back, right now we at 33,000, right? I would need to see it right here, 34,800. Once it reached 34,800, I will have enough confidence to say, okay, we're about to go on a real rally and start aiming back for our all-time highs. You don't see that? I don't know. Now, let's go over to Bitcoin. Let's look at crypto. Crypto literally stopped trading parallel with the stock market lately. Look at the last month. Bitcoin, High is right at May 4th. Go down and literally trade sideways from the bottom on the 12th to now. Look at this last month. Look absolutely nothing alike. Completely night and day. You had his high right here, and it's did absolutely nothing compared to Bitcoin. So it's interesting that Bitcoin is breaking away from trading parallel, but is not doing anything good. Now, when you look at Bitcoin price, we have to see the price we need for Bitcoin to see if we actually having a real run, right? Last month, let's see, last 3 months, this where we at. That's where we at. Last year, I don't see it going any lower. I don't see Bitcoin literally. Look at that. It's all you really got to do is look at history, right? And last year, our low on this side, 29, we just say 29,000, right? Look at this. Shit will hit the fan if we really go under that 27. We went, what was our low this year? Technically 26 for like 2 seconds. Really 27-ish. You are not probably going to see it go lower than 26 if you ask me, because bulls and people are still buying up Bitcoin. Most people in general is not selling Bitcoin. So now you have to be ready for a bull run. The question is, how will the stock market and the rest of the market will affect Bitcoin when things crash or we get any more immediate bad news? But when it trades sideways like this for a while, I need it to possibly hit, we would say, what's the price I want Bitcoin to hit? 30, go past 31,300. Then I would actually start looking at Bitcoin. Outside of that, this all Bitcoin been doing is getting close to where it's at right now and crash back down to 29. Close to where it's at right now, crash back down. Look this, last week. Hey, we at 35. Crash back down. 28. Up, we at 30. Crash back down to 28. Hey, buddy, we tried to get to 30. We couldn't get it. Crash back down to 28. So now this is a nice run. It's going to be interesting. If so, a lot of altcoins will follow. There'd be great opportunity. Now to my CoinGecko, my DeFi people. Where y'all at? Shout out to my DeFi people, my Finance players. Who is this texting me? My auntie. Portfolio, everybody texting the player. Oh, why I'm not logged in? Come on. Log in. This is terrible. Why is it not doing it? Because I actually want to see my portfolio. Oh, I guess it logged me out. So, I don't know. But what I was going to do was take a look at the MMF is up over the last day. You had that terrible crash. Went all the way down. It's trying to recover. Where's Savannah? SVN was at 10 cent last time I checked. Yep, 10 cent going on a small low run. And, you know, people, man, Lando, buy in on the dip. I'm like, bro, I'm down like 90% on this shit. It's like, You ain't made no money nowhere. And now you want me to buy in right here. It's like, yeah, I'll just wait it out. I will wait it out. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. We have good news. We have the Patreon is getting started in June. So this is basically how the Patreon gonna go. $20. My time with me, my channel. Shout out to channel hitting 18,000 subscribers today. I appreciate you guys for all the support. Now, with the channel growing, I get inboxes often now where it's like, yeah, Lando, yo, can you help me out with my portfolio? Lando, can you do this? Can you do that? I help people out all the time for free. No problems. But with a Patreon, I can actually show my portfolio, show people what I'm doing, and I get incentivized to be able to cover people's portfolios and be able to help them out. We're going to show you how to build a strong crypto portfolio from scratch. Literally, if you got $100, we can show you exactly what you need to do, what coins I'm buying, why I'm buying it. We're going to go to the stock side. Yo, we're picking 10 stocks. This is what we're going to roll with. We're going to alternate some in every blue moon, alternate some out, show you how to build a strong position. We have the stock split coming up. Amazon is coming a perfect time. So I'm going to build a strong position with Amazon, and we're going to talk about it in a Patreon. So I say try it out for a month. Worst case scenario, you lose $20, but the goal is to give you your value back times 10 every single month. Stuff that you're not going to hear on YouTube. I seen somebody trolling like, Orlando, what's the purpose of this? When I tell people and have people that's already done it, I have a gentleman that have 4 kids, and all of them have well over 40,000 in their custodial account. Max out his his Roth his Roth IRA account. His wife's in no different type of tax advantages. I don't like to talk taxes on YouTube. Completely don't want to do it. I can talk about taxes in a Patreon with no problem. It's a lot of things that don't get views on YouTube. But over there, you know, it will be more valuable to people. You don't have to worry about the fluff of, hey, likes, subscribe, million edits. You don't got to worry about all that. We get to go raw. So I got it pinged to the top of the comments. Get signed up. We're going to do, and I have the money, the finances open where everybody can see it. So we can literally do a giveaway every single month. Because the way I look at it, I notice most people that do Patreon, they make crazy money and don't share the finances, right? And it's like, okay, the goal is, say we got a zillion people in here, yo, and you're making $10,000 a month. And my thing is, people will support you like crazy, and you get crazy views when you give away money. I'm a straight giveaway. People in this chat probably right now have received money from me, whether it's Cash App, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's crypto. Now, my thing will be every single month we're giving away 10% of what I make. So say, for example, right now it will be $16. We're going to start once it's at least $20. We giving stuff away. So right now we're going to do, once we reach 10 members, we giving away $20 a crow. I'm a big trivia person. I love some good trivia where you can do some, you know, do some sports, Black history, fun stuff. We're going to do it, get involved. And if you haven't done it already, make sure you get signed up with Moomoo. Shout out to them. I'm working with Moomoo to do some more sponsorship deals. And, you know, you can get some free stocks. All you got to do is click the link in the bio. I got Moomoo in there, get 5 free stocks. First way, just literally open up an account. You get 1 free stock. When you do a $100 deposit, you get another free stock up to $8 to $2,500. Then if you put $2,000 or more, you get up to 3 more free stocks. Shout out to the Moomoo team. So let's answer some questions. Let's see what y'all talking about in the comments. Looking at Wall Street cheat sheet for where is that? Hold on, I can't see it. Psychology of market cycle. I think we are at the anger phase, depression phase still to come. Yeah, I'm going to do some videos about that. While I don't have my son, I can actually do some creative videos. So I'm actually going to probably do something like that. Hopefully my voice is back. Love the action in the past hour. Yeah, it's been a lot of action, man. A lot of movement. They getting ready for Memorial Day. Getting ready for Memorial Day. I think it would be nice. But I'm thinking big investors are accumulating this low. Yes. Now, one thing that actually surprised me, a lot of big investors that have the Bitcoin ETF with like Grayscale, a lot of them sold off. They sold their position in Bitcoin. And it was surprising because if you are in Grayscale or something, you're making all this damn money. I think they only do like 5% of your portfolio at the most. For them to say, it was just funny. Like, y'all wimped out over this little baby crash. That was interesting to me, seeing that. Jay say, just keep dollar cost average. Just keep on putting money in there. You know it. I need Bitcoin to hit 25,000. I'm with you. Bitcoin can keep on going down with me because it's a perfect time to start investing. Talking about new people that don't know too much about crypto, you can't ask for a better time. Like just imagine this, yo. All right. Imagine, let's go to Coinbase. Like when I tell you this is the perfect time to get your ass started. So let's say, all right here, you look at Bitcoin in the last year, right? When do you think most people invested? Do you think they invested right here or right about right here? This is when majority of people came into Bitcoin, between 55,000 and 49,000. But majority of people invested at 69,000. It's just the way it goes. So if you look at this, the high in the last year was 69,000, meaning you know it can hit as high because it did it before, right? Because if you go back to there was a time Bitcoin high was $100. Then it reached $700. Then it reached a high of over $10,000. You're like, oh my gosh, can it surpass that? Then it reached 20,000. Then it came back. Then it reached 30,000, wherever it is, went down a bunch of times. So if you've seen it reach 69,000, look at the price now. What's 50% of 69,000? We know 50% of 60,000 is 30. We're well over 50% at a discount right now. If you don't think this is a freaking opportunity, I don't know what to tell you. In the last year, look at that. That's hands down the best time, because most people get in during this time and all they did was lost money and they like, man, this crypto stuff don't work. But now you have the option. You have two things. One thing gonna happen is gonna go down some more, and you're gonna have a learning lesson. You're gonna be like, damn, okay, I invested $1,000 in. Now your shit went to $800. You're like, all right, I lost $200. Cool. Lando said, all right, go ahead, buy some more at this price. Went up. Oh, damn, you up $100 now. You're like, all right, cool, I'm learning, whatever it is. Then that shit go on a crazy bull run. You experience your first bull run with Bitcoin go from 28,000 and that shit go to 42. And you like, damn, my 1,500 I done put in there. That shit at 1950. You like, okay, all right, I've been dollar cost averaging, whatever it is. So now you like, man, this next dip, since I seen it physically, I'm going to put more money in. And that's how you get addicted to crypto and Bitcoin. It's hands down the best time to get involved. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. If you haven't already, press that like button. Press that subscribe button. I appreciate you. My voice is gone. We are trying to talk it back into existence. Because I was watching that Tank Davis. Did anybody watch that Tank Davis and Rolly fight last night? I called Tank would knock him out in the 5th round. He knocked him out in the 6th round. Rolly is a lot better than I expected. He was actually winning the fight. My scorecard, he was winning the fight before Tank knocked his ass out, put him to sleep. You'll say more pain to come. I think you're right. Today's jump looked nice. SVN bought right at the bottom. Good shit, man. Good shit. If you bought in at the bottom, I knew it was going to go up sooner or later. I said, man, the hell with that. I done lost too much money over there. I'm going to wait it out. I got to wait to the team get their stuff together. If there was a WAR between ApeCoin and Shiba, who will win based on merit, not hype? Oh, my gosh. That is an amazing question. Yes. Okay. I love that question. Okay. Who will win if there's a war between Shiba and ApeCoin based on merit, not hype? First thing you have to do is let's look at each armies. You have to look at who have the stronger team, who been around for a while. And we know Shiba have the stronger Sheeb army, right? So Sheeb got 3.3 million followers. So they got a lot of money of people to back them up. Then if we go to ApeCoin is new, but ApeCoin is at 300K in a short time since February. That's strong. That's something to basically say. If they're around the same time as Shiba, they'll probably be at more. But right now, Shiba army is a lot stronger. Next, you have to look at the market cap. Let's look at the monies. Let's look at the market cap. Now we go to Shiba is ranked number 16, and you see the market cap is at 6.6 billion. So they got 6.6 billion market cap. Ape is, let's make sure. So remember 6.6. 6.6. Boom. Ape is at, we just going to round it up and say 2. They're at 2 billion. At that short amount of time, that's strong. So Shiba got more money. Shiba got more of a strong deal. Then let's go to the utility. When you go down to the Bored Ape Yacht Club, let's look at Bored Ape Yacht Club. What are their NFTs? If we went to go buy one, what's the cheapest one you can buy? Floor price is 86 ETH. 86 ETH. Price low to high. Oh, they got they got a bid going on. But if we did 86 ETH, somebody do the math of that. If we have ETH at 1,700, we just gonna do the math. Calculator. Calculator.com. We're just gonna say ETH is at 1,800. Stop that. 1,800, and they said the floor price is 86. We're just gonna say 80 times 80. What the hell type of calculator is this? Let me do this on my phone, because I don't like that. All right, so what we're doing, 1,800 times 80. That's 144. So we're going to say the lowest NFT that you can buy is 150,000. What do Shiba have that you can buy even close to that? So when it come down to the NFT game, ApeCoin is completely dominating times 100,000. And if you look at the most recent, we gotta look at the price charts. If we're gonna do it, we have to look at their price charts. So going back to Coinbase, and we look at Ape. We live in a what have you done for me lately type of world. Let a player know what you done for me lately. So all of that old school hype is cool, but what you have done recently. So we're going to do actually I should have did the last 3 months on crypto. Crypto.com actually give me 3 months. There we go. Yeah, I prefer to do it over here. And let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm going to read the comments in a minute on who y'all think will win and why. All right. Last 3 months. Look at ApeCoin. Last 3 months, right? The low was we just say $6. The high, $23. That's 3 times. That's a 3 times gap, right? The last 24 hours up 7%. The last 7 days, 17, down 17. The last month down 71%. The last 3 months, 17. So remember those numbers. We just gonna do up 17, 71. All right, so now let's go to Shiba. Up, they're winning on the 24-hour. I said down 17 in the last 7 days. They're down 1. And the last month, 71. And in the last 3 months, Shiba low versus the high is falling, and it's falling hard. Honestly, in my opinion, Shiba will win. Shiba will win in the war because Shiba have a stronger army. They have more time in the game. They're veterans at this point. The utility, is you got to add the hype into it, because the hype, if you have 100,000 people that can't fight show up, and you have 300 soldiers gonna get their ass beat because it's just off of people. So Ape need more time in the game, because when you see that price gap from going from $22 down to $6, 70-something% loss, that's huge. That just basically mean you're a newbie in the game and you can get beat up. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments, what y'all think about that. MMF, yeah, they wrecked a lot of us. They got us bad, man. I just bowed down and get out the game for right now. I'm still up on MMF. How the hell are you up on MMF? How is that even possible? A lot of people get in right at the peak, at their hype. Just don't sell. If you don't sell, you haven't lost anything. Brother. It's hard for me to believe. Do you have at least over $1,000 in MMF? Because let's look at this. Let's look at it. Last 180 days. How the hell are you up? Because if you bought in right here and you never sold, you're down. If you bought in, there's nowhere you can have bought in where you made money. So let's go to 90 days. Let's lower it down. Where did you buy in and made money? Let's go down to 30 days. Where did you buy in? Okay. You bought in right here. You bought in perfect. You bought in perfect at the low. You killed the game. Let's go. But you didn't sell. So you're back right here. So it's nearly impossible for you to make money unless you bought in right here just now, and this is where you at. That's literally the only way everybody has lost money with MMF. So I don't believe on that one. Then BTC is over 30K, and I didn't put anything in it like I was going to. Don't worry about no. You buy up on some Ethereum right now. You weren't gonna do nothing. Bull run is such a good feeling. It really is, man. Bull run is always, it's different. It's like a rush. It really is like a rush when you literally just think of your first time, because we got a lot of crypto heads in here, right? Imagine your first time when you download a Coinbase and you put $1,000 in there, whatever you put in there, and you seen that shit go from $1,000, or let's say you invest in a meme coin, you put $200 in, you seen that shit go to 16,000. You seen it go to 800. You like, oh, I'm hooked. It's like going to a casino, dog. You're completely hooked. That's what I said. It's a buyer's market. I'm still collecting, waiting on the jump to make sure it's a legit project, but at a good point where it's almost rugged. I'm with you, though. I'm not selling at 90% loss. Just going to keep collecting. No, it's no point at when you lost. You have a few options. And this is a good example when we just go to like MMF, right? Me, I was more of a Savannah person. We'd go to Savannah. We go to SVN. Savannah going hard right now. Now, yeah, they going on a strong run. They about to be going nuts in Reddick. All right, so look, 90 days. Let's say, because where did I get in on Savannah? I think I got in at $2 on Savannah. I got in at the high on Savannah. And, you balance out right here. You kind of damn near even. So you even at your money right here. Now, you're losing money. So remember, your money right here, you're even at, let's say $2. $2 a share. When something go from $2 down to 10 fucking cents, 11 cents, it's bad. Me, I sold probably at, we'll say 60 cents. It's like, I see where it's going. This ain't going to nowhere. This ain't going in a good direction. I'm down 70% on my money. I'll take that last few dollars and put elsewhere. So I save money on not riding and holding. But at this point, what the hell you gonna sell for? This is like with your Luna. When Luna went to hell, right? Let's see. Like when Luna went to hell. Look at Luna. Luna going hard. Oh, Luna guys. Oh, man. So, when your shit go this to this, you just leave the money in there. What you gonna take it out for? You just praying on America. This flat line, this thing is dead. Oh, my gosh.
Oh my God. They took my job!
What is the new Luna doing? 2.0. Up 8%. Trying to figure out its footing right now. It's under $6 at $5. Last day. You're just going to have it choppy for a while. It's trying to figure it out. It's getting listed on a few exchanges. Like I said, I'm not buying the new Luna right now. You got to let it do its thing for a while and figure out its life before I will put my money in. Especially they done took so many people money. I lost a lot of money in Luna, dog. Not no real money, because I know people lost like hundreds, thousands and shit. But yeah, I lost enough money where I'm at. So now I'm not just about to jump right back into abusive relationship and get beat on some more. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. I'm Lando Sess. I'm usually the person that give you some laughter, some motivation, teach you ways how to make money, how to save money, how to invest money, We have those different type of ways. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment. I definitely appreciate it if you do. New investors are emotional investors. Oh my gosh. Do you remember the time when you was a new investor? And you just I remember when I was a new investor, I would literally buy at the high, sell at the low, and just be emotional as hell. Then when it go back high, like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna do this again and do that shit again. Emotional investor is literally the worst, man. Oh man. Shiba. So y'all say I think Shiba still have a better future based on a token price. We get it infatuated with owning millions and billions and trillions of tokens and opposed to double or triple. It's a case for Shiba is better. I might even put Doge ahead of Ape. I ain't gonna put no damn Doge ahead of Ape now. I ain't gonna give it that. Because, you got Doge just, Elon got a tweet for that shit to do a little jump. Shiba will surprise you one day, but the average guy can afford, can average guy afford an NFT? No, but they're having it available soon when you can buy fractional shares into an NFT. So I can own me a NFT for $100,000 and you guys want to get in on it. It's like us right now trying to buy Amazon shares. Amazon shares is too much to buy, but we can put $10 into it. We can put $50 into it. They're going to have that same way for NFTs coming up soon. Shiba, you buy more apes with ETH, not ApeCoin. Shiba will be more used for retail. Yeah, you can go to stores and you can buy a an AMC ticket with Shiba right now. Can't do that with ApeCoin. So who you got? Warriors and Celtics in what game? I have first. I'm excited it's not Warriors in Miami. I wanted Miami to win tonight, but I knew Celtics was going to win. And Miami would have literally got their ass on borderline sweep. They good enough to win one game. They would have lost in 5. The better matchup, the better hypeness is the Celtics because Celtics, you got Tatum and you got Brown. Two stars that can score, and Tatum could be a superstar some days. So the Warriors, they got the experience. They got too many good-ass players. Warriors will win in 6, and Klay Thompson will get the Finals MVP. Y'all heard it here first. Klay still won't be able to get his Finals MVP. You have Klay on there shooting. You got Steph Curry. You got Draymond Green with his defense. Now you got Poole. He's a stud. You got Wiggins. If he show up, they have too many weapons. And Boston is too inconsistent. I'd be interested to see Boston win, but my money would be on the Warriors. Government Hot Dogs, they love the channel. Market is gross right now, but we gonna make it. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. And because right now, I was looking, it's so hard to build a fucking finance YouTube channel when you have a bear market. Because nobody is buying for the most part. Nobody is searching for crypto in the stock market for the most part. And you don't have that excitement. So it's like trying to start a YouTube channel and grow right now is hard versus I was looking at like Brian Chung. He was just on like Millennial Money, and it was showing his growth because he started talking about the stimulus stuff when stimulus was going. Everybody, all those stimulus videos was going crazy. Then he started talking about Bitcoin or something else when the run, when everything is going wild. People searching for you're going to get the views, you're going to get all of that stuff. When it's bad, you have to adjust your content and be very well versed. That's why I talk about stocks. I talk about crypto. I talk about gig jobs. And I was a flight attendant for 10 years. I hit you with a random flight attendant story, talk about life, all that stuff. And you want to have it balanced because you would get drained just talking about the same shit all the time. Government said I lost 8K in UST. Yeah, I think I only lost like 30 only. They're like the only 3,500 with it. That's arrogant. Do Kwon be with the funny business. I wouldn't be surprised someone catches him slipping. Yes, I honestly, Jose, I can't even hold you up. We're not going to talk that language here, but realistically, like let's be real life, right? Real life, UST was like number 6 on the market cap. It's like a $50 billion company. So you had to think Anchor had it where people that don't understand, Anchor had it where you can literally sit your money in Anchor protocol and get 19% APY. We're just going to round it up and say 20. Meaning, if I took a loan out and they charged me 6%, I can just put it in Anchor protocol and make money. It was like a money glitch at this point. You can just keep on making money. So imagine if me that understand crypto, if I had the money, I would have probably put easily $1 million in there, because if my mindset think, if I put $1 million in Anchor protocol, every year I'm getting $200,000. $1 million sit there, I got $200,000. Let's go ahead and pay my taxes. I got $150,000. I'm happy. How many millionaires you think did that? How many billionaires you think did that? And that million went to 10,000 overnight in a week. That's really unheard of. So, yes, I heard somebody did go to his house recently. That's just not the move, yo. You shouldn't be starting another project that soon. Yeah, no. But it is what it is. Do Kwon. On Binance player. Binance will list Terra 2.0 Luna. Do Kwon retweeting. Right now, I think he's just retweeting all of the new people that is coming into the game. How do you say this? Is it you be like, is it H silent? Is it Ubly? Ubly? How do you, somebody pronounce this in the comments for me? Ubly. I don't know. But yeah. I'm thinking of taking reached out to me. Let me know in the comments, have any of you guys ever tried MEXC? Anybody use this exchange? They've been reaching out to me for the last few months nonstop, so they can be a sponsor and holler at a player. And at first, I didn't know if there was a real company, because I'm responding to these emails. But I actually seen them, like, oh, they actually got an app. They're actually a real company and stuff. God, let's see how big their Twitter followers are. Oh, Lord, you got a bunch of Twitters. Jesus, they all over. So they've been reaching out to a player to do some business with. So let me know if you guys ever used them. Yeah, 500,000. So I guess they're the real deal. So I think I'm actually responding to the email today. So don't sign up for them yet. Wait for a player. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. While we in here, I dumped all MMF. All right, so we're about to have some fun. If anybody got decent lighting right now, you actually can call in. You can hop in on. This is the first time we're going to do this live. This can go very good or this can go bad. I'm about to open up the interviewing so people can actually come in live and talk with a player. Let's do that. If y'all want to come in live, all you got to do is have decent lighting and come on in. I'm about to ping it to the top of the comments. Let's see if I can Pull up my YouTube. And ping it to the top of the comments. Right now, we have our Patreon ping to the top of the comments where you can get ready, get signed up to build your portfolio and get up-to-date information quick as hell where you don't have to wait. When I wake up, I'm thinking about something late night. I'm giving you guys the game right to you. Okay, let's go ahead and post this. Bam. And let's change it. Let's see if I can ping it to the top right here. Replace ping message. All right. So let's do some house rules. Got to do some house rules. All right. Please don't play any music because it's going to mess up my copywriting. And if you do that, I'm going to ban you. So don't play no music, please. Please be respectful. You on my channel, you can cuss. I don't care about that. I ain't too strict on that. You can cuss. No nudity, ladies. I love me some tits. We all do. We all do. But you have to do that in the Patreon where we're not being monetized. So no tits, please. You know, I know we all love them, but you know, I know the bald head I just shaved, but you know, my wife wouldn't want no tits, so keep them out of there. But if anybody want to call in, all you do is click that link. Once you click the link, it's going to ask you to put in your name. You're going to put in your name. Then I'm going to bring you in and you're going to be able to talk. But hopefully it works because I'll have to have interview mode set. And I'm doing this off the fly. Usually I have to switch some shit up. But hey, if y'all want to call in and holler at a player, shit, let's do it. All right, back to the comments. Is this the Love Connection channel? Yes. If you want to find your love, hey, at least if you find somebody in here, you know they're going to be about their money. Fellas, you find you a woman on my channel, she's going to know crypto. She's going to be a hustler. She's going to know stocks. So the conversation game is going to be solid. So I'm just saying, you better slide in a DM or something somehow. We got my boy Bobby in the building. What up, Bobby? Everybody say what up to Bobby. We got one of the admins in the building. Late as hell, Bobby. What you doing? Player. If anybody need any voiceovers, I need Bobby to be my voiceover tonight because since I lost my voice, he got it. He do the professional voiceovers. You can follow him on all forms of social media. Just look up his name. Very, very, you know, like when you're younger, I always wanted that deep ass voice. You'll call a girl and you'll be like, hello. You had a deep ass voice. You know, man, I remember me and my boy Hugh, we used to call chicks like, okay, who voice is deeper? His or man, they'd be like, Hugh's. Then, you know, the ones like me, Landry, your voice is deeper. Bobby got that good ass, what you call it, that radio station, that disc jockey voice. I sold my BTC first time I heard BTC was being banned for China in 2017. I learned my lesson. Me too. When I made my first $10,000 with Bitcoin, I sold because I'm like, I'm rich, bitch. I'm like, I'm rich. And let me see if I can find that article. I did a Michigan M Live did an article on me. That was years ago. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see, M Live. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see, Orlando Bitcoin. This would be crazy if I find it. Okay, I think I might have found it, yo. Let's see. Okay, I typed in MLive, why cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Oh, I think I find this was in 2018. Why cryptocurrency like Bitcoin are such a hot, volatile trend. Let's see, is this it? On December 18. What is cryptocurrency? Is this up? Orlando Carswell. That's back when Orlando Carswell of Inkster said he began investing in cryptocurrency after he was being paid via BitPay, prepaid debit card. Anybody ever had the BitPay debit card? And this is before they relaunched it recently. This is back in the day. After learning about that, you could transfer Bitcoin to the prepaid debit card. He started researching more about it. And it was crazy because I have like some money in it. Like imagine having the money in $400 in your debit card and that shit turned to $600. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm hooked. So he started researching more and more about Bitcoin itself and decided to invest. It didn't go well. At least at least not first. Carswell admits that he invests a chunk of money into Bitcoin long before the boom of last year and watched the value drop significantly in a short amount of time. Not understanding the volatility. Remember I told you guys I was buying high, selling low. Not understanding the volatility of the market, and he does now and made his mistake. I freaked out. I pulled out and lost a lot of money, Lando said. Adding to the value obviously returned. But he was undeterred and kept researching the market and other cryptocurrencies. Soon as he started seeing gains in his investments and said that's why he's not rich off crypto investment. He made under $10,000 investing, seeing bigger returns on cryptocurrency than traditional stocks. I had a stock increase over 24% in the last year, and it still didn't touch my cryptocurrency. Now remember this, doing 24% in the stock market that's unheard of right now. But I'm like, man, so this was back in the day. I'm like, man, I'm picking stocks that's going 24%, but crypto is going like 10,000. That's crazy. Now that he's made some money off of bigger names like Bitcoin, Litecoin at the time. Oh my gosh, I was investing in Litecoin back then. Let's see, Carswell began investing in smaller cryptocurrencies and hope that he can catch the next big bubble before it hit. With an estimate of 1,300 different ones, whenever I invest in a small cryptocurrency, my plan is to not touch it for the next 3 to 5 years. Carswell said, now we add in parts 10 different cryptocurrencies. Come on, baby. Drop exclusive bomb for myself. Shout out to Michigan and M Live. Go Blue. Go Blue. All right. Let's see. That's me. Used to be Lando. I appreciate your honesty. Yeah. Most of these mother lovers are not honest. Everybody is, I'm rich and, I invested in cryptocurrency. It blew up and I just bought me a Lambo, and I'm going to keep it funky with y'all because real recognize real, and you want to be transparent. My situation is going to be different than your situation, but long as you're learning while you're earning, you are good. El Salvador can take Bitcoin. Let's see, do we have any people on the interview? Okay, nobody's in there yet. El Salvador can take Bitcoin as payment, as even have Bitcoin ATM, which is nuts. There is no pesos to withdraw from ATM. Screw the day and find something else. Miami was too banged up to compete against Steph and them boys. Yeah, Butler, I'm happy Butler at least went out shooting. I'm like, man, Butler better not have like a 6-point game after that 47-point game. He went out shooting and he just went out of steam, and he had a chance with like 10 seconds to literally take the lead or tie it. I feel he should have drove it in. That was the smarter play to drive it in. He was going to get fouled by Horford, old ass. But he went for the money. I can't get mad at it. He went for that 3. You make it, he a hero. You miss it, they going to put the blame on you anyway. So shoot that boy. Shoot the J. Shoot it. Bro, they got him all the way in the hood. Like, who, number one, please, somebody in here, have anybody ever bought Bitcoin from a Bitcoin ATM? Raise your hand if you have. I never did it. I'm going to do it to do a YouTube video to show how it works. 'Cause I never did it before. It don't make sense to me. Who gave me a dislike? I need to add in. Oh, I got something for the person who did the dislike. Let me see if I can add me a soundboard live. Soundboard. If they let me get this, it's a wrap. Let's go. I think I got it. So which one I'm going to replace? All right, I'll replace it with that one. So, shout out. Bye-bye to Please Wear Your Mask.
Wear your mask. Wear your mask. It is very important for you to put on that mask.
So, I'm about to add. Let me see if I can find it now. Excuse me, people that just came in. I am adding a soundboard for that person who gave a Detroit player a dislike. We was doing good here. I was trying to be nice. I was trying not let the hood, the inkster in me come out. But sometimes Wayne Brady got a slapper. All right, let's see if I can find it right here. Come on. Okay. Drag you right here. Open with, I need you to move. Oh, I see it. I just need you to move down here. Why you not moving? Y'all, he might get lucky. That person might get lucky. I hope they don't. I'm gonna get it. That is funny. Where is it? Whoever. Uh-oh. I think I got it, y'all. They probably just don't want a player to do it live. Oh, nope, I got it. All right. So for that person who gave a Detroit a dislike, we finally got the soundboard for you. Somebody else gave me dislike.
What you say? I said, whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe. What you say? I said, whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
We got a new soundboard, baby. All right. Let's say, so you flew around the world. Yes, I have. I've been to every single state in America. Interesting time. So yeah, my flying, I've flown to a bunch of different places. My favorite places where I went off work. We can talk about that for a second. Let's talk about some fun stuff. First, the biggest party I've ever been to in my life. And I actually got a picture somewhere down here. I'll pull it up next time. Biggest party I ever went to in my life is Oktoberfest in Munich. When I tell you, you can't even imagine. I can tell you how it is, but you can't even fathom how crazy it is. So imagine a big old carnival, right? Go to a carnival, and in the carnival, they have what you call tents. It's like big old buildings, like shaped like square, shaped like triangle. So big old buildings, they fit from 500 to 5,000 people, each one. And it's like 10 different ones, each one represent different beer. So you go and try to get in, and it's a long ass line. Literally, like it take you 5 hours to get in type of line. And you have to sneak in to get in. I don't know. Why is it like that? I don't know, because they take like a year to let somebody in. But you really got to sneak in. And it's like playing like Splinter Cell because you're waiting to get in. But when you finally sneak in and make it in, all you hear is crazy, great music, people on top of the tables, chugging beers, everybody messed up. You got ladies holding 10 beers at a time. And since I was over there and I'm black, they don't have, like, they have black African people over there. They don't have real black people. So as soon as the white people see me over there, oh my God, my nigga, where's your beer? I'm like, I don't got a beer. Take my beer. Take my beer. So when I tell you, and since I had the whole shit on, you know, me and my boy had the whole hookup on, I paid for one beer. They take it. I'll show y'all some pictures. I'll show y'all a little bit of pictures. But it was a party. I enjoyed it a lot. Where's some pictures of? Come on, Lando. You get. Where's my vacation album? I gotta have. I'm about to find it. Vacation album. I wish, I don't know, why didn't I just name it? Freaking, I don't know why I didn't name it, what you call it? Facebook was old back then. All right. So if we go, okay. This how it was, right? This how big the beer. So so now remember I told y'all it's like a crazy line to get in. This is how crazy it is. People trying to get in. This my boy Nick that I went with. Nick, dumbass, didn't sneak through with me and the ladies that I went with. We was waiting for the security guard to turn. And once he turned, you fucking sneak through. Nick's scary ass didn't sneak through when he tried to get caught. She's trying to show some tits and try to get in. So shout out to her. And this is outside you get in. On the table, turning up, literally drinking. Finally made it in. I'm hype. We in this thing. My man, he definitely probably gave me a beer. I remember him. He was very hammered. This, my friend Cindy and Prado. These both flight attendants that went down there with us at the same time. So they got messed up with us dancing on tables. So that I told you it's like different tents. You got like different tents and all that type of stuff. And I got some videos. Germany dope. Enjoyed it. And then they got a thing called the heel. When people get messed up. So I'm on tables, you know. Friends still getting messed up. Play it. PA but want to take pictures with you because they you black. I finally found a black person. I'm like, oh my gosh, I found a black person because no black person didn't exist. And I don't even think this motherfucker spoke any English. I don't think he spoke any English at all. But I'm like, you black. Come on, black people, come on over here. Let's hug it out. So yeah, that's how the tents look. And this is the heel. This is all the newbies that come and just literally barf on this heel and they out. And I survived because I'm a mother-loving G. So that's my Germany stories. I got tons of those because I have been all over the world. A lot of people I follow on Twitter who create content have started pushing MEXC recently. I guess they're doing aggressive marketing. Okay, cool. So I guess a lot of people are doing it. So they reached out to a lot of people and they giving great benefits. Now, my thing is I'm more of a sponsor person. I'm like, pay a person, pay a player. I sponsor. I do a video. I do a cover for it. But they like, look, we got a great affiliate program. Holler at us. We'll do it. So I'm going to probably do the affiliate program for them. Jay is out. Jay, I appreciate you. All the things you do. You're amazing. True, people love to talk about their gains, but never talk about their losses. You right. Learn from it. Many things. Many bless everyone. Go blue. What's your take on buying ETH domains? Lauren asked me about that. I don't think I don't see it. I don't see the value in it long term with the ETH domains. Just don't see it. So I haven't done it. I wouldn't fully recommend it because I ain't did it myself. I had a better explanation when I talked to with Lauren. We got people comment on my mystery shopper video. Make it be a hero, miss the zero. Come with the hero and leave that zero. I saw a BTC ATM at Circle gas station a couple months back. I'm not messing with them. Yo, we got D in the building. Shout out to my player. What's going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It will be awesome. We got Javon Parker in the building. We got Jay Parker. What's up, dog? Would be awesome to dislike with the boys. RIP played Icewood. Yeah, know it, baby. Yeah, know it. I was listening to some Royce da 5'9" today. Jay, have you ever listened to Royce da 5'9", his Book of Ryan album? It's so amazing. I was listening to that today. I saw another brother hit him. I saw another brother had to hit him with the head. Now, yeah, man, you don't see too many. Everybody when you go to Germany, everybody Americanized and speak. Nobody is speaking English out there. I only knew Polsch, that mean cheers. Du bist jung, that mean you're beautiful. Got to know how to hit on some women. And so I learned like 5 words. That's all I needed. And most people didn't speak English, but they did, but they mainly spoke their native language. Any chance Bitcoin will finish 50K at the end of the year? Definitely. High chance. Very high chance. I said Bitcoin would finish. What did I say? I said Bitcoin is going to trade between 35 and 45. Majority of the year, I said high of 52 and a low of 27. So we're close to those ranges, and I said it was going to end the year. What did I say? Off top, I would say 44. Haven't heard, but I had Slum Village playing today. Yeah, you know that. Good music. You know that. Good stuff. But yeah, Book of Rain, that's a good one. Well, everybody, let's look at crypto in the market one good time. Let's circle the block. Circle the block. Still up 4%. Now look at this. Now Bitcoin doing what I said it's going to probably do. It's got to that level. And now it's starting to trade sideways. It needs to break through. If not, it's going to do the same thing it did right here. Same thing it did right here. Right here and right here. Go right back down to 28,000. It would be great to see it get some excitement and push through. But, let's see who's our top movers right now. Top movers. Gainers. To Stepn. Okay, let's go ahead. Stepn up 32%. Mutable X 25. I'm a Mutable X owner. My neighbor Alice. Got some good ones up. Now let's see who's our losers. Who's la loser? They ain't even let me click the losers. Damn. Nobody a loser today? They said don't even come with me with that loser stuff. GST is down. That's interesting. GST. Green Satoshi token. That's interesting because this is Stepn token. And they're down. So yeah, that's not a good move for GST. That's not a good look. Why you have GMT is up. So why does that? How do you have a token up 32% and its cousin? I guess it's just not gonna show me though. It's down. That's interesting. That's weird. Interesting. But see some crypto news before we get out of here. Bitcoin. Cardano continues to sink. Yes. Go ahead, Cardano, because I'm about to be buying up this week and showing people what to do in the Patreon. And let's look at, we looked at the stock market earlier. Dow. Gonna be interesting. So the market's not going to be open tomorrow because we have Memorial Day. But before we get out of here, we need to talk about Moomoo. Shout out to Moomoo. Appreciate you guys. Click the link in the bio. Get 5 free stocks. Got to talk about the Patreon. You might as well get signed up. It's only $20. It's not going to be the end of the world. You're going to join a success team. You're going to have Patreon-only updates. When I do a live stream, it's going to be only in there. You're going to get early access to most of the things that I am talking about. You're going to get access to my portfolio, what I'm buying, why I'm buying. You don't have to worry about the, all the fluff and stuff. We going right at it. You get to unlock all that type of stuff when I'm talking about the Amazon split in my game plan when I don't want to talk about it. On a YouTube, I get to do quick videos over here. We're going to have 3 different tiers, and it's just a roadmap because people was asking how much money do I need to be investing. It's like, yo, we can show you $100 a month. If you got $100 a month, that's really $3 a day, $25 a week. We can work with you, invest and build a portfolio. If you got $1,000 a month, if you got $10K a month. So we're going to be talking in tiers in there. I'm going to work on a video tomorrow, the first one, and that's going to be building your crypto portfolio. And I'm going to talk about the foundation of it, like the basics. What are we're building? Which platforms are we putting money in while we're doing it? Building everything from the ground up, showing you how to buy. See, I got a lot of experience in it. All you got to do is click the link in the bio. I did have it pinged to the top, but we took that off. Let me ping it back to the top. Get signed up. Go ahead, give it a try. Why not? Appreciate all of you good people. I will talk to y'all tomorrow. And as I ping it back up to the top,
knocking Aretha Franklin while I clean the
we
car.
can get up out of
Looking
here.
at shorty in them yoga pants. Oh my lord. About to hit this day party, check the flyer. After I spray the black magic on the tires. Damn, I love the summer, these sisters in sundresses are looking heavenly. I give thanks, it's such a blessing. The sun is shining, the birds chirping, the clouds fluffy, the weather's perfect in the summer. The days get longer, outfits get shorter. Streets getting hot, pop the hydrant for the water. In the summer, throw the old kicks on the power line. Summer, cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. Summer, watch the whip, then you know it's shower time. Summer, hit the day party, it's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer, cruising on the city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer, dreaming of the summer. I got the AC pumping with the windows down halfway, blowing that shit Dave Chappelle stole in half big. Wintertime, spring, summertime, grind. For the mansion with the Hummer outside, but my vision is bigger than the clothes in the car, so my vision is different like Jordan LaForge. Can't wait to sign the autographs when the fans run up. So I'm making big plans for the summer.
Shout out to my boy Rock Stages. Check him out. His music is amazing.
Cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. Watch the whip, then you know it's shower time. Hit the day party, it's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer, cruising on the city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer, dreaming of the summer. Brunch with the wifey at the park, grown man shit. Kiss her forehead, she say I'm so romantic. Summer nights poppin', we could paint the town any night. Elbow out the window while I cruise under city lights. Like Africans compared to Greeks, the Godzilla. I rumble with the lions, arm wrestle with Godzilla. It's rock stages, I'm dreaming of the summer. If you think you're number one, trust me, I'm scheming.
Go ahead and follow my dog, Rock Stages.
Get shorter, streets getting hot, pop the hydrant for the water. In the summer, throw the old kicks.
This called Dreaming of the Summer.
Cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. Watch the whip, then you know it's shower time. Hit the day party, it's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer, cruising on the city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer.
And I'm gone.
Dreaming of the summer, got me all up.